Day 4 of testimony in the capital murder trial of Jimmy O'Neal Spencer wrapped up suddenly. The state rested. The defense rested its case as well without calling any witnesses.
In the morning, both parties will present closing arguments and then the jury will be instructed. Spencer's fate will be in their hands.
News 19 investigative reporter Dallas Parker was in the studio now, was in court today and has the latest for us.
That's right, Greg. The parties rested after the state's final witness walked the jury through dozens of autopsy photos of each of the 3 victims. Spencer sat through and actively looked at the disturbing autopsy photos of both Marie Martin and Martha Relaford without issue. When it was time to look at the photos of 7-year-old Colton Lee, Spencer could be seen with his head down and he was wiping his eyes. Many of the injuries shown and described by a state medical examiner in court match what Spencer described in his recorded statement to Guntersville police investigators. A state medical examiner testified Colton Lee was struck with a hammer several times, and Monday the jury listened to more than an hour of the recording in which Spencer outlined in graphic detail his confession to the killings, outlining why and how and when he acted. In the recording, Spencer told the investigator he was desperate for money when he decided to rob the 2 older women. Spencer said he robbed and killed Martha Relaford first, and then he told police he got away with about $600. And when he ran out of that money, he says that's when he went to rob Marie Martin. He described the woman saying all she had was $13. As for her 7-year-old great-grandson, Colton Lee, Spencer told investigators he regretted killing the little boy, but he hit him in the head with a hammer until he died. Today, the jury heard that Spencer voluntarily spoke to police 5 times after his initial confession. He admitted to the killings in every single interview. Now, if Spencer is convicted, Spencer could face the death penalty in this case, but that will require a separate procedure called the penalty phase to determine a sentence. The jury is scheduled to return tomorrow at 10 a.m. for instruction.